the plan in the latest update, Bitcoin was more likely about to drop. We've got the move down, so now we are going to see what we can expect next, really. And yes, this was planned. Look at this. This is what we've planned in the last update. We recognize that clearly in the title. Bitcoin will more likely drop. It was the most probable. If you want to understand why, just go and check out the update. Really, I'm explaining everything so you can understand the probabilities really of the market by using Elliott Waves. You can start using Elliott Wave. When you use this good, you can crush a chart. And so I show you clearly how and why it was more likely about to drop. So I was looking here for this wave 5 here to the downside for a new drop here, really, for another drop, and to go minimum take out some few lows here. So now we took the low, as you can see here. We have taken this bottom right there. So it's a really small swing through pan, but we still have this swing through pan there. You can see there we have this nice swing through pan Coinbase, but now we need to see the smaller wave to really understand all of this. So first of all, let's add the waves here to the downside. So this was a wave, we've planned the last update, really. So it was a 5 waves, we've planned there with the wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, the red wave here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, or 5. So we take these 5 waves, we take the wave 5, and we just need to add a wave 5 target, what I've done by the way in the last update too. So now we are on the first target, so this is the first possible target we can look for along. Next we'll have, if we start breaking, so here's the 38.2, we can look for the 618, then we'll have the 120 extension, and then we'll have the 1618. Be aware that the 38.2, 618 are never well touched to the dollar, so we can absolutely go a bit more down, spend some time here, and then reclaim. It's possible. That's why make sure to use also the levels. If you want to get more about all of this, you can join me every single day at 10 AM. I'm live to update Bitcoin, really. Just for example, I have done a video right now, so I'm showing you really everything. Sorry, everything really with the levels, with the targets, with the order flow. I'm really giving you my plan for the day ahead, really, how I'm going to, where I'm going to look for a short, where I'm going to look for a long, everything. So if you want to stay updated, really get everything, just a good plan, really, just go and check this out. You have all the informations there. And if you want to get now the higher time frame plan, really, where you can see the higher time frame target, so you're prepared and ready in any case, even if the wave is wrong and we just push high from here, or if we go down from here, just go and check out on the website. This is absolutely free. Okay, you just have to go on the website, create an account, go in the member section, exclusive TAs, and from here you'll find this nice Bitcoin high time frame technical analysis. This is a 130-minute video. If you don't want to see all of this, the start here, because this is where I'm doing my TAs, really. I'm showing you how I'm finding my targets, everything, really, all my levels. I'm really showing you everything. So this is for people that really want to learn from me. Now, if you don't want to learn from me, you don't really care, just want to get the plan, just go at 55 minutes around there, and you will start. This is where really I'm explaining everything, and you also have the wave count. Now, if you want to get only the wave count, the higher time frame ones, you can go in the video section here on the YouTube channel, bearish wave count, bullish wave count, and you're fully ready and prepared, and you know exactly what we can expect next, really, and so you're 100% prepared. Anyway, if you enjoy the content, as always, don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel, to turn notifications. Thank you so much for taking the time to do it, and if you can also write some comments down below, as always, this helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm, so thank you if you do it, and if you don't, well, you can also absolutely not do this. But anyway, now with the wave 5, these are the different targets. Okay, so 30.2, 618, 120 extension, 1618. These are the 4 targets really of this wave 5. Now what we have to get here into this wave 5, I'm just going to cover in this update the highest probability wave count, the 2-1. There are 4 wave counts. I'm just going to cover the 2 most probable configuration into that wave 5. If you want to get more, simply join the Discord server, go into the Mateos update section here, scroll up a bit, and you will be able to find all the stuff, really. These are free and public channels. You can just join for absolutely free, and you can get everything. For example, yesterday, 11 minutes time, I told you that this was a wave 4 retracement target, where you normally should get a retracement from, and from here, bam, we got a really quick move to the downside. Now we are still in, and we keep getting some nice short trade a bit everywhere, really, so that's pretty cool. But anyway, if you want to stay updated, really, join this Discord server. This is a place you have to be, really, to really get some updates on Bitcoin, and not only Bitcoin, you have also many alts. But anyway, so here, what we can look for is simply, first of all, an impulsive. So I'm just going to remove all these fibs right here, bam, so we can see a bit more what's going on. First of all, we do have some 5 waves down, then we have a correction, then we have another 5 waves down, then we have another correction. So we have a wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2. Before to continue with this lower time frame waves here, what you have to understand is what we have into a wave 5. And by the way, I'm going to remove also the target so we can see really all the waves better. What do we have? What can we get really into a wave 5? We can get either an impulsive, either an ending. An impulsive is 5 waves, where the wave 4 cannot break the wave 1 top. if you're in a bullish market, of course, so to speak, you can get this 1, 2, you have the wave 3, you have the wave 4, and then you have the wave 5. In an impulsive, the wave 4 cannot break the wave on top, and you have such 5 waves. This is the first possible configuration you can get in a wave 5. The second configuration is an ending. Here, in that case, a wave 4 can break the wave on top, and so it's a wedge, really. You can get either an impulsive, so the 5 wedges draw you, either an ending, so a wedge. Okay, so to speak, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is an ending. Yes, in this configuration, the wave 4 can break the wave on top, and yeah, this is like this, really. So it's a wedge. In the wave 1, 3, and 5, you have an ABC zigzag. You can get some 5 waves impulsive in the wave 1, 3, and 5 also, but this will be a rare case because normally this is happening in a leading. So these are the two configurations we'll have to take right now. A bigger impulsive, really, an impulsive really into the wave 5, so the pink wave you can see here, or an ending. So an impulsive like this will be the small wave. I'm going to cover really all of this. An impulsive, so wave 1, 2, 3, we need to finish the 1, 2, 3, or 5 here, the 5 waves into the wave 3 here to complete this wave 3. We have to get 5 waves into this wave 3, so blue 5 waves, then bam, wave for retracement, and then a wave 5. This is the first configuration. Now I'm going to show you the second one, but I'm going to come back next on this to really show you the targets and everything. Second configuration is an ending. So instead of getting, the pink wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, we just get a bigger rise here for the wave 4 because there is no wave 4 and 5, which means that it's simply an ABC zigzag. The small wave of a wave 1, 2, and 3 or an ABC are exactly the same. ABC zigzag, of course, we have a 5 waves, correction, 5 waves. So we don't know. That's why this will be a long to take in any case. Okay, and how you can recognize if you have or not to take the trade, it's simply by reading the order flow. By reading this, you are able to make decisions and some informed trading decisions. So yeah, just if you want to learn this, you can learn this on the website. And otherwise, I'm showing a bit of all of this really in the daily updates of the live stream. So these are the two configurations really. In that case, in the wave 1, 3, and 5, we have ABC zigzag. So 5 waves, correction, 5 waves. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, by the way, this is a bit more too complex maybe for you because you're starting with this. It's normal because I'm using yellow wave, so maybe I just forget to say some few stuff sometimes. It's possible because for me it's logic, but maybe for you it's not, as you're maybe starting to learn. So do not hesitate, the comment section is made for this. Otherwise, you can, as I said, join the Discord server and go into the question chat here and ask me some questions. It's a real pleasure, as always, for me to answer you. So in that case, bigger wave 5, we just need to look for the red wave 5 targets or the levels. I'm more going to pay attention to the levels, but otherwise we can look for this first of all and mainly at the moment. So now, what targets we can look for? How can we trade these waves and extra? First of all, we need to find a wave 4 target here, so we can pull simply the retracement tool from the wave from the wave 3 bottom. The wave 3 bottom here is so I'm talking about the blue waves. Okay, let's focus on this for the moment. Remove the wave very quick, bam. And remove this. Yes, we can remove this so we can see really everything. So this right here is the wave 4 target. Sorry, put in the recording. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wave 4 here, retracement. This is a target we can look for, so to speak, between the 23.16 and the 30.12 with the 31 and the 32 in between. Okay, this is right here is a wave 4 target. Of course, we have to plan some invalidations, such as, for example, if we start going above here the 50%, if we start getting some kind of close above, getting acceptance above here, it's not valid anymore, and the wave 3 bottom is possibly done already. Okay, invalidation also if the wave 4, the blue wave 4 here, breaks the wave 2 top on the RSI. If we start doing this, it's not valid anymore. Then we can just go and watch the daily update. I'm really explaining everything, where do you have to look for a short and everything. But if we follow these waves here, the most probable wave at the moment, if everything, for now there is no invalidation for this, so we have to look for this really. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How can we find a wave 5 targets? You just need to pull the extension tool. I think it's not here. No, it's here. You just need to pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 bottom to the wave 4 top. From here, you're going to add the wave 5 targets. So let me just remove this really quick. You're going to look for the wave 5 targets. So you pull the wave 5 targets. 618, 120 extension, 1618, 2618. The prime is 618. That brings us with the wave 5 stop before the wave 3 bottom. It is less probable. Then we have the 120 extension. Again, less probable. Both here bring us with a truncated wave 5. So speak of wave 5 are going to stop before the wave 3 bottom, so it's less probable. From here, in a case, which one do not bring us with a truncated wave 5? It's simply here minimum the 1618. So normally, we should go here minimum to the 1618, and so this will be the first target for a long trade. This will be the second target. Now, of course, be aware of that these are the smaller waves. Sometimes smaller wave we can do some extension also, So that's why trade everything based off the reaction. Do not gamble really on the chart and just long because I added some green squares. I'm not going to take a long trade if there is nothing that is following on the order flow. Okay, this is really important to understand this. So now these are the two next targets. So let's take a case that we finish on the first one. We would just swing for a point with a look on the low here. Once we have done this, we can simply look for the bigger pink wave 3 to be in. We do have the 5 waves completed here into the wave 3, and so to speak here, by the way, we do have this nice short position here, short trade to play with, to write this down for the wave 5, the blue wave 5 to finish and complete this wave 3. So once we have done this wave 3 bottom, we can do exactly the same. We can look for a wave 4 retracement. So how can you find, by the way, the wave 3 targets? Okay, the wave 3 target here, you just have to pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 bottom to the wave 2 top. From here, you add the following targets: 1 to an extension, 1618, 200%, 2618, 3618, 42316. These are all the targets of the wave 3. Okay, you can remove here the 1 to 1 extension because we already went below and almost hit it. I think we hit the 1618. Yes, we do. So yeah, it's not really useful to keep some targets already hit. We can make this a bit cleaner. It's perfect. So here 1618 here, that match, you know, with the first target here we have planned with the wave 5 1622. By the way, if we now go to the 2618, it will bring us with the 200% of the wave 5. You know, I hope that makes sense. You know, if this blue wave 4 targets, these are the the wave 5 targets. Sorry, here's the blue wave 5 targets. These blue wave 5 targets right here, these are the 2 targets of the wave 5. So as you can see, it matched perfectly with the wave 3 fibs. So it's perfect. So let's take a case that we retrace. I mean, we go into here as a 1618, so of the wave 3 and the wave 5. Okay, both 1618, and we bounce from here. From here, in that case, we just need to pull the wave 4 retracement tool. From here, you just need to pull, in that case, retracement tool from the wave 3 bottom up to the wave 3 top. Or, as always, if you did not reverse your tool in your settings, you have to do the opposite. So I did reverse on my tool, so it's from the bottom to the top. Otherwise, you can do it from the top to the bottom if you did not have the setting that is activated, really. From here, the targets. 2316, 3132 the MC fib, and then we have the 38.2. This is right here the wave 4 target. Remember, if we're in the the ending here, okay, there is no wave 4 and 5. We just push high and push high. So that's why you do not have to short. We are not sure that we have to take a short here 100% because we can just get an invalidation here. That's why use the order flow to see and determine if you have to take the trade more likely or not. If there is no good data on the order flow, don't take the trade, and you avoid taking a loss just by riding only the waves. Okay, because we can make a bigger push up simply because we are in the ending, and so we are not in these 5 waves, but this was an A, B, C only, and so there is no A4 and 5. We just keep rising. So that's why read the order flow so you can make a good decision here and see if you have or not to take the trade. But anyway, so this right here is a wave 4 target, okay, between the 2316 and the 3812. How can we recognize this is the most probable target? Simply by checking out what was the wave 2. So the wave 2 here, as you can see, was a regular. We went between the 56.1 and 66%, so it was a really shy 50%, but we still hit it. So it's a normal and a regular wave 2. So when we do a regular wave 2, we look for a regular wave 4, okay? So to speak here, we look for this, a stop between the 2316 and the 38.2. From here we can look for the wave 5. You just have to do exactly the same than before. You pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 bottom to the wave 4 top. You pull the wave 5 targets, 618, 1 to an extension, 1618, 2618, and you're good. These are the wave 5 targets. Okay, now what if, for example, we do this? We go a lot more down. For example, we do an extension into the wave 5. We go a lot more down. What target we have to look for? How can we still find some possible targets below? Well, you just need to remove these targets and add the wave 3 targets. Okay, the wave 3, so to speak, this ping wave 3 target. So you pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 bottom to the wave 2 top, and you add the wave 3 targets. So 1 to an extension, 1618, 200%, 2618, 3618, 42316. These are going to be the targets of the ping wave 3. If you really start with an extension here to the wave 5, you would go past the maximum target, really. Okay. So yeah, this is the plan right now. What we can look for at the moment, mainly if we have to change something, really, do not hesitate to join this Discord server. This is where I'm going to let you know first of all. And yeah, on this being said, that's it really. So hope you enjoy. As well, if you enjoy, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe to channel notifications. If you have any questions, as I say, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section down below, or join the Discord server. Go into the question channel right here, ask me some questions. It's a real pleasure as always for me to answer you. By the way, if you want to get a nice deposit bonus, you can simply go and check out the link you have in the description on PRIMEXBT. It's a really good platform where I'm still trading on it, by the way, with some really good trades, not gonna lie. Have some really decent trades there. So yeah, if you want to get a chance really to win up to 7,000 on your account, just go and check this out. Just get an account with this link, verify your email, and you're good. Really, you're going to get a nice deposit up to 7,000. So that's pretty cool. If you want to get more of us, you can go and check out the mooncharts.fr website. All the information out there. If you want to get more about it, you can go and check out the about page. And I wanted to say something, but I can't remember what. Yes, just before maybe to fully end this video, I know that many people have left already, but if you're still here, well, you're going to know what we can look for next. But again, this was planned in the previous update. It was simply after the 5 ways was done. Okay, so after the red 5 ways are done, we can look simply either for a bigger A, B, C, either for a bigger wave 1, 2, 3, or 5. So to speak here, after these 5 ways are done, really, we can simply look for a bigger A, B, and C, or bigger, it depends if how far it goes with this drop here, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bigger drop to the downside here. Okay, it will be, you know, for the higher time frame plan. Again, I'll let you go and check out the video. I'm not going to repeat myself, but it will be, you know, for the higher time frame bullish wave count here, by the way, or bearish. There are still both configuration. So either for a B wave retracement, then we will make a C. Either for a wave 2, and then we make a massive wave 3 or 5, and the bull market is here really. Okay. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. If you enjoy, as always, don't forget to smash that likes. Everything really already told you before, so you understood. And yeah, have a brilliant day. Have a nice weekend. Take care, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.